Hello friends, welcome to Charlotte's Artistry. Today we are going to see how to set a handmade crib like this step by step. I've started to hang all the decors one by one. These are handmade, and if you want to know how to make this, click the link given in the description box. These are handmade bells made up of water bottles. I'm going to hang it along with the garland. I've planned to set the crib in 2 layers. Let's start making the first layer. For this, I've taken a wooden plank. To cover all the gaps in between, I'm going to use a cardboard. Now take a crib paper and cover this first layer. This is a handmade mountain made up of tissue paper and newspaper, and this is a Fevicol box. This is a background design every year that we use for Christmas, and this is made up of chart paper and cardboard. Now I'm going to connect a thin rope from the kitchen window to the front door. Now it's time to arrange the light set. I'm going to hang this light set on the thin rope. Now I'm going to cover the lights with a shawl and secure it with stapler pins. For the second layer, I'm going to place a teapot in the center and place 3 layers of hard cardboard on it and cover it with crib paper. Now I'm going to make a rock using crushed newspapers. Now I'm going to place the crib and the trees. It's time to decorate the Christmas tree. I've also made some handmade bows for the hangings. Now I'm going to make some gift boxes. For this, I've taken some empty cardboard boxes and I'm going to wrap it with gift wrappers which are already used. Now I'm going to cover the entire crib with cotton. This is to give a snowy effect. This is also used to cover all the empty spaces in between. This is how the crib looks during the day. This is how the crib looks during the night along with the lights. If you like this idea, give a thumbs up to my video and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel for more such videos.